Hey, it's George. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel, and welcome to another luxury shoe unboxing. In this box right here, I have a pair of BALENCIAGA Triple S sneakers. It will be my second pair in my collection, and let me tell you, the first pair, magnificent. They're beautiful. They are blue. They're everything I ever wanted in a pair of sneakers. They have a little height to them, and they're just constructed like no other pair of sneakers I've honestly ever owned. So today, I'm working with Copshoe. I'm gonna link all their information in the description box down below. They have such a variety of different sneakers, but their Balenciaga options are phenomenal. I definitely recommend checking them out, as far as I know, because it's my first time I've worked with them. So I'm gonna link all their information, like I said, down below, as well as the shoes that I'm checking out today. We're gonna do an unboxing, I'm gonna try them on, and we're gonna have a full-on Balenciaga X Copshoe experience. If you're interested, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a drink, and keep on watching. It's a rainy day here in Pennsylvania today, and let me tell you, I'm over it, okay? I am over it because there is so much that I have to do, and days like today really just completely destroy my will to do things, okay? Like I just want to like relax and watch TikTok all day. But am I gonna do that? No, because here I am, and I'm so excited. Actually, the fact that I'm unboxing Balenciaga sneakers is really what is like driving me to film this video, okay guys? Because filming, editing, and this whole process, it's not easy, all right? But is it worth it? Absolutely 1000%. Like I said, these are Triple S Balenciaga sneakers, guys, and the color is beautiful. They're like this creamy, off-white type of like nude-esque color, and they're beautiful. I am so excited, and they're gonna go perfect with this outfit, okay? So I always do a little OOTD. You're probably thinking like, George, what the heck is with the harness? I just felt like this kind of like made this whole look, you know, little more less sophisticated and preppy, and like spice it up a little bit, which sometimes we need to do in this short life that we live. Let's get to the unboxing, okay? Let's get this Balenciaga party started. So Copshoe sent these in a brown box just like this, and I like to make sure I address how they were received. And from what it looks like, I mean, the exterior box looks like it's in mint condition. We're hoping we're getting the same type of appearance on the inside. That's only one way to find out, of course. So if I can get this open, there we have the box. Let's see if I can pull this out myself. Oh, is it coming out? We have a Balenciaga box, and it looks like it's in excellent condition. So Copshoe really delivered with the whole presentation. And we have a little sneak peek right there. That is what the sneakers look like. Let me see. Oof. They're so pretty, they're so pretty. Khaki, okay, so they're referred to as a khaki color, which is kind of like perfect for this getup right now. So let's see the inside. A little unveiling moments. Some tissue paper, and we have a note here, 𝗵𝗁, and this is where you can find them on Instagram, in case you're interested in checking them out on the IG. And we have Balenciaga dust bag, which is amazing for traveling. I like how it does say Balenciaga right there, kind of printed on. And there we have it. What a beautiful color. Wow, oh my gosh, they feel so good. There's nothing like a Balenciaga shoe, to be honest with you. They just feel so different than any other sneaker. But wow, that is gorgeous. All right, so there's a lot of details here that I want to share with you guys. We're gonna dive in and break these Balenciagas down. In the box, so we also have some authenticity pamphlets like this. Very cool. And let's see, looks like, oh, there's a spare pair of laces. Love that. So these are unique laces. I always say this, but when these shoe companies provide like spare laces, it really is beneficial because to match those is like super hard. Balenciaga Triple S in this khaki, beautiful, heavenly cream color. I'm obsessed. I mean, come on. That profile right there is absolutely beautiful. These shades, these multiple shades of cream. I mean, there's not just one, there's not just two, there's like maybe 3-4 elements worth of this like nudie type color, and I love it. Honestly, I feel like this is gonna go with so much. And the reason why I'm wearing this off right now is basically so this can go with it. It's that vibe, all right? So I appreciate that. It does have a bit of branding on the side, same Balenciaga right there. And to be honest with you, there really is not too much brandation going on. That's one thing I did notice about Balenciaga. They're kind of like minimal when it comes to their logo. It isn't all over the place like Gucci or a lot of luxury brands. They do kind of keep it a little bit more on the subtle side. So I appreciate that. I love the front of the shoe, okay? That is a moment. So the shoelaces are really something that kind of like ties in together the whole look for me. They're not just white and thrown on there. They really match the entire aesthetic of the footwear. So that's pretty sick. It does say Triple S on the lip right there. Very cool. And speaking of the lip, it is a different color than a lot of the shoe. So it kind of like ties in the middle part and the side, if you can tell, which is pretty neat. And it does say 44 on the tip. So that's actually the size of the shoe. 44 is equivalent to a 10 in US men. And I love that. Look at the tip right there. Like that's where you can see the several colors of the cream. Very sick. The inner profile is very simple-ish, kind of. I mean, it's not extremely simple, but it's simple-ish. I like what is that? That like lifted part right there? I don't know what you want to call it, but it's different and a lot of sneakers don't have that type of like construction, so it's pretty cool. The back is probably one of my favorite features about this. Like, check that out. It does say Balenciaga, but again, it's just in bows. It is not in your face. It's not loud. It's even on the bottom right there. It's not like obnoxious. So these waves that kind of like are around the Triple S is very, I don't know, futuristic, kind of like, actually, now that I think about it, this whole color concept kind of reminds me of Dune. Maybe it's because of the colors that are going on and it's looking like that aesthetic, but yeah, it's a vibe I'm getting. So last feature that we did not check out yet is the bottom. Is that upside down? Yeah. It says Balenciaga right there. So there's the branding on the bottom of the shoe, and I like how it's like shiny right there. I have to say this, well, maybe I'm just like not like a stomper, but my other Triple S's have not gotten damaged on the bottom. Like they wear pretty well. So hopefully it's the same with this, but I am super excited. Let's see the inside actually. That's the interior right there. Just says Balenciaga. Nope, nothing big, nothing crazy. And a little bit of like sizing right there. I need to try these on, so let's get to it. Also, let me just say, they have weight to them, okay? They don't feel chintzy, cheap, light, or, you know, like you're walking on a cloud. Although, in most occasions, I do see like Balenciaga shoes being quite comfortable. So, hoping for the same type of, oh gosh. Yeah, they feel the same as the other Triple S's. I'm obsessed. All right, so I think these are like my new favorite pair of shoes, which is like a lot because I have quite a bit of shoes. You guys, these are it, okay? Let me do a little presentation for you. Can you see those? They're beautiful. All right, let's get a better angle here. That should be more like it. Okay. Look how beautiful these shoes are. Like, literally, they are gorgeous. Everything about these, like, they're a statement, but at the same time, they're subtle. Like I said, it's not like a very overly branded type of sneaker, but I am obsessed. Check out the pheasant socks, by the way. Can you see that? Can you make those little pheasants right there out? How cute. Okay, we'll take this one for a little fit check here. This is the OOTD, and honestly, this top is kind of meant for this pair of Balenciaga sneakers. I mean, come on. Look at how beautiful, like, they complement each other. It is perfection. So the construction of these shoes is honestly like no other, and I keep stressing that, but literally, you're not gonna find elements like this on any other brand of luxury sneakers. I am obsessed. And comfort is most definitely key when it comes to footwear for me, and they fit and feel super comfortable. Okay, so it makes complete sense why they named the shade khaki, because they literally blend in with my khaki pants. Like, they are practically camouflaged, which is pretty cool actually. I do also want to say, like, they are chunky shoes. Like, they're not like tennis sneakers, so make sure you keep that in mind if you are looking for Triple S's. They are a bigger, like, heftier type of sneaker. So some people like that. I like that. I like feeling like a Bratz doll, so fits my vibe. And if you're not into that kind of thing, then these are not a shoe for you. All right, guys, that is a wrap for this Copshoe x Balenciaga experience. Let me tell you, I am completely thrilled with how everything went down. From the way these shoes were presented and arrived, they came in a very timely fashion and an impeccable packaging, and everything from the way the shoes were constructed, they're magnificent. They're super comfortable, and there's not one flaw on these shoes that I could possibly point out. Also, on top of that as well, Copshoe did send me photos of the shoes before they sent them to me, just to make sure that everything was up to my expectations and standards, so I definitely appreciate that. But that's a wrap, guys. I am pleasantly surprised, and these are now one of my favorite pair of shoes. I'm not gonna say my favorite pair, maybe they are my favorite pair. I don't know. Copshoe, all their information will be linked in the description box down below. Check them out. Follow my Instagram at @SchraGeorge. That's where you can find a lot of my fashion content. I really explore fashion and post the majority of my content on that platform, as well as TikTok, which will be down below as well. While you're here, subscribe and click the notification bell. So if you want to stay up to date, that's a great way. The notification bell basically will alert you whenever I post new content, so keep that in mind. But until next time, as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.